Insert minicam and minifix in board 3 and 4. Insert dowel in board 3 and 4. Insert minicam and minifix in board 5 and 6. Insert dowel in board 5 and 6. Insert minicam and minifix in board 9. Insert dowel in board 9. Insert minifix and dowel on board 12. Insert dowel in board 10. Insert door spring on board 7 and 8. Attach door magnet by using CSN3X12. Insert dowel in board 2. Attach board 11 on board 2 by using GVC M6X35. Attach board 12 and 4 together. Attach board 12 and 3 together. Insert minifix in board 5 and 6. Attach board 10 between board 5 and 6 by using cap wood screw. Attach board 2 and tighten with cap wood screw. Attach board 9 and tighten the minicam. Attach board 3 and 4 and tighten up by using cap wood screw. Same step applied on the other side. Attach door magnet on board 1. Insert minifix on board 1. Attach board 1 as the top. Attach nail leg on the bottom. Attach board 7 and 8 as the door. Remember to tighten all the minicam.